He said, do you know Cruiseman's Garage? And I said, he does video things.
This video is sponsored by Cruiseman's Garage Honda Goldwing Maintenance Video Series.
Hey guys, we're here at Southern Honda Powersports for Goldwing and Glizzies. I'm here with Terry Kreitz, and look what he's wearing. Got the 50th anniversary t-shirt, or shirt, polo shirt, and cap. So very cool. And we got some other friends here going to be enjoying. I see somebody back there getting ready to cook maybe hot dogs?
Yep.
Is that where the hot dogs are cooked?
Glizzies.
Okay, and you're from Ohio.
West Central Ohio.
Wow, Ohio. Amazing. And we got some Goldwings out here. We got a trike, motor trike, sitting here. It looks like a 2020, I don't know what that is. That might be a 2019? That is the new Cabernet Red 2025. And we've got a 2024, or three of them sitting out here. A couple of gray ones, a white one, another white one sitting back here. Man, look at all the Goldwings. These might be the ones they're going to use for the demo rides today. I'm not sure. I don't know if they have enough 2025s to do demo rides, but it's the same bike, so even if you ride a 2024. But look at all the Goldwings lined up. I'm not sure if these are for sale, or they're sold, or they're here for demos. Okay, Road Glide, here you go, Road Glide. There's your future trike right there. Take your bike and turn it into a trike. Doesn't have as many lights on it as yours does, though. And just look at all the Goldwings, and they just keep going all the way down there.
Hey guys, this is Sam Glass over here, aka Big Ham, Southern Honda Powersports. We got all this inventory here. We're going to have the 2025 Goldwing surprise today, aka the big gold monster. Everybody's going to come by, get them a glizzy hot dog, and we're going to have a good time here at Southern Honda Powersports.
Is this bike sold?
I believe it is not as of right now.
Oh, okay. I think I gave misinformation yesterday.
And he says, by the way, I'm going to give you a $1,500 off if you on the 29th if you buy a new bike. And whatever we do to yours, we won't charge you. I said, well, Spencer, you're a great guy. What kind of event you got going on the 29th? You always have something going on. He said, do you know Cruiseman's Garage? And I said, he does video things. Yeah, I've seen it a time or two. Do you know other people? I said, never heard of them. And he says, well, Cruiseman's going to be there. I said, well, good. I'll walk up and think. So I went to your videos after that 2 weeks ago, started reading them and looking at them and seeing what's going on. Man, I was impressed. I said, golly, I needed that video to work on my brakes, and I wouldn't have to pay Southern Honda. And I'm up in, hey, man, I should have done that.
Yeah.
Well, anyway. I didn't. I'm here. I drove in. He said, be here at 10:30 on the 29th. I'm here.
I looked at your review. In your review, I looked at your review. You say it's nice and it's faster, but then when you said the Goldwing was better, I went on with the Goldwing.
I've been watching you maybe 5 years. I don't know how long. I had a Yamaha before, but yeah, I bought my Goldwing here in 2023. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Great. So you have a 23 model?
23 model DCT.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I got the 2018. I literally got it because you had 2018.
Mr. Cruiseman,
Just got getting video.
I have watched you and bought stuff off your channel for so long.
Good. Keep
Since
doing it.
2014.
Keep buying.
I bought the DCT and my wife bought the F6P.
Oh,
So
yeah.
I downloaded all your videos so I can do maintenance. So I'm gonna meet that guy in person one day.
There you go.
They said you were here. I'm like, I'm coming. And somebody said, have you seen him yet? He's up front. I'm like, no, I've been walking around looking for you.
Yeah, I'm up there by the front door.
But this is the first time seeing it in person. The nostalgia and the years that I've owned the Goldwing. But what I've liked with Goldwing has changed. You know, I like the blacked out version.
Yeah, and they have perfected painting on plastic, which is not easy. Out here with Mac, here's Snowy, sitting right here at Southern Honda Powersports, and Mac's already got a story to tell.
Yes, I do. I have a wonderful story for those that watch my channel. I know this is Cruiseman channel that you're watching right now. However, the bike has officially tipped over. I went to move it in the parking lot at Southern Honda Powersports. It started to fall. I let it go completely. The crash bars that I have on the bike did exactly what I thought they would or hoped they would do, and that is the bike, no part of the bike touched the ground other than the crash bars. Left about a 1-inch scuff on the crash bars, which I had to touch up, but other than that, they paid off.
That's
Gold Rider 1, look at that shirt.
AKA Mac, look at this. Broidered and all that, look good.
That does look good.
Go on, get in this picture. Tell them who you are.
That's Mike Wilhelm. I'm from Durham, North Carolina.
Durham, North
Yes,
Carolina.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, honestly, right while we got you live on camera, what do you think about that gold one?
I know you hate it.
What do you think?
With all that bling on it, I'd take that in a heartbeat.
All right, never mind, get away.
It's gonna take, it'd probably take a heartbeat and $40,000.
Yeah, no kidding.
Here, where are you from?
Knoxville.
Knoxville. Oh,
Yeah, actually, I just ordered these a couple weeks ago.
Oh, cool. I like the brown. I really like it.
Yeah, I like it too. Good.
I've been seeing quite a few of them around.
I went and bought a used 1967 Chevrolet pickup truck, 3 on the tree for $700. Sold it, and then went and bought a brand new 1983 Goldwing. My parents drove me up there, and it was the first time I had ever rode a bike that large. They drove me up there, and they followed me back, and that was the first time I rode a Goldwing when I was 20 years old.
So how many have you owned?
I've owned 6 different Goldwings, all 6 different body style generations. But in my life, I've owned, I think the one I got today is my 18th motorcycle.
Can you believe how the Goldwing has evolved?
Oh, it's
just night and day.
It's amazing. You know, the people who, until you know, of course, like some people like the rumble of the Harley and stuff like that, but this right here, since the 18 model, Honda's knocked that out of the park. This is the greatest motorcycle.
2000, since you had your 2012.
Oh, really?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Wow, I forgot I even had a channel back then.
Yeah, you did. I bought both your maintenance videos.
Did you ride in today, or did you drive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, well, actually, I was over here yesterday, late afternoon. I rode in last night.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I came in yesterday too.
Yeah. Hey, those guys.
Hey.
Bob, nice to meet you.
Hi, Bob. Nice to meet you. So what do you think of this one?
I like it. I don't care for the brown. I do like the gold.
I like the silver in the front too. You're Frank?
Yeah, I'm Frank White from Knoxville, Tennessee, and I'm here and I'm honored to be here with Cruiseman. And we're just talking about my 2018 Honda DCT Non-Tour. And through Cruiseman's videos, I have become pretty darn good at doing my maintenance. And the videos are clear, complete, concise. Cruiseman is ethical, and when he says buy, do, or whatever, I do it. And so I beat the drum for Cruiseman.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it, Frank. So I am here with Million Mile Phil, and he is in the book. He's ridden, did you say 2 million miles?
Yeah, I'm over 2 million.
2 million miles. And this is his 2023 Goldwing, right? 23?
Yep.
How many miles on this bike?
Just about 194,000.
Say what?
Wow, 194,000 miles. This bike's got 194,000 miles on it. He's ridden over 2 million miles on Goldwings.
You've seen the book.
Absolutely, but I've just seen. I haven't read it. I've only seen it laying on a table. Look at that.
Goldwings.
Wow.
That's me. I was 33 years old. My first Goldwing. I've had a 75, 76. I still got a 76, 77, 80, 85, a 91 SC. I still got the 91 SC. No, I don't have a 91 SC. The 02 I got, it's got 564,000 mile on. My 15 has got 768,000 mile on it.
768,000 miles. Wow.
This is an Amsoil.
Wow.
It's got 768,000 on this.
So you're an Amsoil fan, obviously. You got the hat.
Yeah. I don't know if it's
It didn't hurt, obviously.
There's a place I go over in Illinois. It's called Moonshine. They used to have a run there, the Moonshine Lunch Run. I rode up from Florida 2 years to go to the Moonshine Lunch Run. People would come in from California, Maine, Canada.
Wow.
That's me. I'm only 83 years old.
Oh, heck, you're just getting started.
Yeah.
I think I saw a story about you in some other.
Well, I'm on YouTube.
And maybe that's where it was a YouTube video.
Yeah. Phil
I did see it.
Steiner Goldwing.
Yeah. Okay, I've seen you before.
Yeah.
I'm just not very good with names, but I've seen
I'm
you.
not either. What's your real name?
Chris.
Who?
Chris.
Chris.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll still call you Cruiseman.
I'd never met Slappy.
Yeah, man, Slappy. Hey, what's up,
Hey, how's it going? Good. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too, man. Hey, you the one got me started on all this doggone. I'm like, how the hell you doggone change the mirrors on the doggone 2012 and you had yours? And it come up, I said, there it is.
Here was Slappy.
I've been watching his videos for years. And good content, man.
Same to you. Same to you.
Step up.
Loving your stuff. Slappy Adventures. Check his channel out. Subscribe.
Appreciate it. There you go. Appreciate it. Any help you can give me.
Okay, I'm here with Slappy.
Slappy from
Everybody
Slappy
knows
Adventures.
Slappy. Slappy Adventures. Check out his YouTube channel.
Check me out, y'all.
I bet you're gonna eat a hot dog today, aren't you?
I made a couple. I didn't know what a glizzy was. I
didn't either.
I didn't know. I want to be a dumbass and say, call and say, what's a glizzy? And then I got to talk with them and say, oh, that's a hot dog. I said, well, I can eat hot dog.
And they're piling in now. Goldwings and Glizzies here at Southern Honda Powersports. Check out that custom painted yellow. I like that.
Yeah, that is sweet.
I like that yellow. Look at that. And look at the bikes, man. They're coming in from all over. Hey, I like that hat.
I know you do.
I like it too. I'm Chris.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I was waiting for you to get free right.
Oh, we're all nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
How you doing?
Good.
Good.
Okay, we have another shirt here. What's your name?
Mike Sisson.
Mike. Nice to meet you.
Indiana.
Yeah, look at that shirt. That was one of my original designs for the 50th anniversary. Then my brother came up with this one.
Oh yeah.
Check out this hat. Pretty cool. What was your name again?
Dennis.
Dennis. And you're from, where do y'all come in from?
We came in from Cartersville.
Does he ride?
Mike Spicer.
Mike, yeah. We've emailed and talked to him several times, yeah. Well, look at that. He's got the cap, he's got the shirt, he's got it all. Got to get a video of that shirt. I love that shirt. There's Wheels.
How are you, buddy?
Man, how's it been? A long time since we've talked. How you been?
I'm doing good.
I saw you pull in out there.
Did you?
Yeah.
Look, I got both legs on the bike. It's a very rare occasion, so feel free to grab a shot or
I will. I definitely will.
Your next episode can say that you're now going to do a whole episode on the proper foot placement of feet on the floorboard.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, good.
Where'd you come in from?
I'm up in Crossville now, Tennessee.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was down in Florida.
Nice.
I don't know if you know Jerry Wells. He's SSA.
We met. Yeah. Good to see you again.
We've eaten lunch with people. Right.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, we finally got out of Florida and was like, that's too hot. No.
Yeah.
So we're up in Tennessee.
I love that shirt.
I'm kind of attached to it right now.
What's the name?
Kevin Kibler.
Hey, Kevin. Oh yeah, we've communicated back and forth a few times. I remember.
Trained me on a whole lot of stuff.
Good. I hope it worked. Okay, so as you can see behind me, things are winding down here at Goldwings and Glizzies. In fact, it ended at 3 o'clock. But man, I got to tell you, this thing was busy. Lots of people, lots of demo rides, lots of hot dogs, and just had a great time. I want to thank all the guys here at Southern Honda for inviting me out. I got a chance to meet a lot of people that watch my YouTube channel, put faces to names of people that I've gotten messages from over the last 2 or 3, 4 years. So anyway, we're going to wrap this one up, and remember what I always say, ride often, but ride safe.